Image formation by a convex lens. The position, relative size, and nature of the image formed by a convex lens can be studied with the help of ray diagrams. When the object is at infinity, the image is formed at the focus f2. The image is highly diminished, point-sized, real and inverted. When the object is beyond 2f1, the image is formed between f2 and 2f2. The image is diminished, real and inverted. When the object is at 2f1, the image is formed at 2f2. The image is of the same size as that of the object, real and inverted. When the object is between f1 and 2f1, the image is formed beyond 2f2. The image is magnified, real and inverted. When the object is at the focus f1, the image is formed at infinity. The image is infinitely large and highly magnified, real and inverted. When the object is between the focus f1 and the optical center O, the image is formed on the same side of the lens as the object. The image is magnified, virtual and erect. The table shows the position, relative size and nature of image formed by a convex lens for various positions of object.